Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Honda Goldwing 1800. This is the HPNA model. Comes with ABS brakes, navigation, heated seats, AM/FM stereo, beautiful black and gray metallic, only 45,000 miles. It's got highway pegs, running lights. This thing is in beautiful shape, ready to make your big luxury touring bike dreams come true for just $22.99. Beautiful bike. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Flat 6. Sounds awesome. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.